Hello, this is Ben Wilhelm with Double Beam Design, and I'm here to welcome you to your new Ready-Made Artist website. I'm going to show you how to log in, change your password, and then just kind of give you the nickel tour. The goal is to introduce you to everything and then go into deeper subjects in separate videos. Okay, so start by navigating to your new website. You can see I've already got mine open here. You should have received a link to it in your welcome email, as well as a link to what we call our administrative dashboard. So we're going to open that up in a new tab in your browser, navigate to that, and log in with the username and password we provided you. Okay, now you're logged in, you probably want to change your password to something a little easier to remember. Come over here to the lower left and click where it says Profile. Scroll all the way down and you'll see New Password. Fill that in and type it again. Click Update Profile. Wait just a second while it updates, and you're all set. User updated. Now we're going to jump over to the options page where I'm going to show you how you can customize your site's appearance just a little bit. So click over here on Theme Options, and you'll be taken to this page where you can choose your color scheme. I'll switch this over to black. Font size, I'm going to make large. I'm going to add a footer message. Thanks for stopping by. Hard crop images I'm going to leave unchecked. I'm going to explain that in a later video. Contact info is all of your contact information. That's going to be used by the contact info widget and your contact page. Also things I'm going to go over in a later video. So click Save Changes. Go back to the front end of your website and refresh the page. You'll see the text is larger and we have changed to the black background. You can see the footer message. Thanks for stopping by. So now let's jump over to the section that says Pages. You'll see your 5 default pages: Home, Portfolio, About, News, Contact, all listed in order. If you come to the front side, they're listed in order: Home, Portfolio, About, News, Contact. At its most basic, a page is made up of a title and some body text. So let's explore that a little bit. Click on the page titled About. We're going to change the title and call it Bio. Bio. And there's some default text. Says this is an example of a WordPress page. We're going to change that to some text that I have in another document here. Copy and paste new text in there. Click Update. Now, if I come back to the front end of the page, front end of the site, refresh the page, you'll see it's now called Bio. If I click on that page, there's the text that I copied and pasted. Now, if you want to add a new page, click on the Add New link under Pages. Give your page a title, some body text, and click Publish. Come back to the front end, refresh the page, you'll see your new page shows up. I used the same body text so it looks identical to the bio, but you get the idea. Now, new pages will always show up right after the home page. So if you want to change the page order, come back here and click on Pages again so that it lists out. And here you'll see Quick Edit. You have that option for every page. If you click on Quick Edit, there's a field over here that says Order. New pages always default to 0. Now, the default values of all of these for order go by tens. So home is 10, portfolio is 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So if you wanted to say insert this in between bio and news, you would give this a value of 35. Click Update. And sometimes you have to refresh the page to see it here, but you can see home, portfolio, bio, 10, 20, 30. Here's 35, 40, 50. Refresh the page on the front. You'll see we've got our pages in the order that we wanted. Now if I want to delete a page, all I do is click this red trash link. You'll see it goes away. Now each of your default pages has kind of its own special power, which means that in addition to the title and the body text, there's going to be some other element to the page that is generated from another element of the site. We'll go over each of these in their own videos, but I just want to point them out. So the home page, we'll go to the front here, home. This big empty space here will be filled up automatically with an image or a slideshow out of your portfolio. Your portfolio page, again, it's got some sample text to begin with, but it will also be populated automatically with the contents of what we call albums, which I will cover shortly. The bio page, which by default is called About, that's just a basic page, title, text. Your news page is a blog, essentially. So all that's going to be populated with news posts, which we will go over also in a later video. Contact page I touched on before is populated with the contact values we put into the theme options. So just to give you an idea, if you are trying to edit your contact page and can't figure out where those values come from, or you're looking at your home page and trying to figure out how to add images, they happen automatically, and so we'll show you in later videos how they show up. So that's about it for this video. The next one I would recommend watching is called Adding Albums to Your Portfolio. And that goes over albums, which are a special type of page that are designed specifically to handle images and create slideshows out of them. So, until next time.